Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make buffalo chicken dip in a crock pot. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of cooked, shredded chicken, 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, and 1/2 cup of your favorite buffalo sauce. Don't forget 1/2 cup of ranch dressing and 1/2 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Having everything at room temperature helps it blend smoothly. Now, it's time to combine everything. Place the shredded chicken, cream cheese, buffalo sauce, and ranch dressing directly into your crock pot. Stir these ingredients together until they are thoroughly blended and look creamy. Once mixed, cover your crock pot and cook on low for 1 to 2 hours, or on high for 30 to 60 minutes until it's hot and bubbly. Before serving, give your buffalo chicken dip a good stir to make sure all the delicious flavors are evenly distributed. This dip is best served warm, so keep your crock pot on the warm setting if you're serving it over time. It pairs perfectly with crunchy celery sticks, crisp carrot sticks, or your favorite tortilla chips. Enjoy this crowd-pleasing appetizer. Here are a few pro tips to elevate your dip. If you like more heat, feel free to add an extra dash of cayenne pepper or a few drops of your favorite hot sauce. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. And speaking of keeping things clean, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. This dip is sure to be a hit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.